up, guys? So it's the next morning. I gotta have an officer come out right now and verify the VIN number on my car so I can file for my title. After that, we're gonna head to the tag office, see if we can't get a title printed, and then we gotta head to the parts store, see if we can't start getting some stuff for this beast. And I'll take you along for the ride. What's up, guys? So the officers didn't want to be filmed. I'm going to respect that. I know technically I have all right to do that, but if they don't want to be on camera, I'm not going to film them. Got my VIN number verified, so I am heading off to the tag office and see if we can't get that title. And once I get the title, after we're done there, we're going to head to the parts store, start buying some paint and stuff to be able to fix that one fender and match it a little bit to the car. I know it's not going to be perfect, but still. Just minor things to do a little tune-up on the engine before I try to fire it over, like spark plugs, oil. I'm going to fog the cylinder, see if I can't free it up a little bit. Motor spins freely, but it definitely sounds pretty dry, so I'm not trying to have it get all gouged up and all that on the first fire up. I might pick up a set of plug wires for it, and just basic little stuff. And once we get all that stuff, we'll be heading home, and we'll have some more for you in the video to start the process of just getting the car on the road, basically. I mean, there's no other way really to put it, so I guess we'll just continue this drive, and we'll see you when we're done at the tag office. Well, boys and girls, 3 trips to the tag office, multiple hours later, and I finally got the title. I'm freaking stoked. So let's go back down to the parts store and start spending some money to get this thing on the road. See you there. All right, guys, so we made it to the local auto parts store. Good old AutoZone. I'm gonna run inside, grab our supplies, and head home, and then we're gonna get started. All right, see you then. All right, guys, so we're back from the auto parts store home, and let's go over what we got. Just picked up a couple little things to be able to see if we can't get this thing to fire. I don't think I'm gonna start messing with it this episode. I still want to try and clean it up a little bit and paint that fender to match, but let's look and see what we got so far. Turn a light on real quick. All right. So, just basic oil. I didn't buy anything expensive for the first turnover. I don't even know if this motor's any good. So, got a couple quarts of that. Some Marvel Mystery Oil. We're gonna put that down the cylinder, just a couple little squirts of it. See if we can't get the rings good and seated and all that. I don't know what their condition is, so see what we can't do with that. Fresh oil filter. Spark plugs, just some cheap ones, because I don't know if these ones are any good. I haven't even pulled them to look yet. Basic supplies, a little bit of tape, so when I tape off the fender and the hood, just to kind of somewhat make it match with some white spray paint. Fuel filter, I still got to drain the tank, make sure that's good. All around, it cost me about 60 bucks. I still do have to get a battery, and I want to take that carb apart that we got right here and see if we can't go through it. I don't think it needs a rebuild, but I'm just going to double check it anyways. I'm going to pull a valve cover, see how that looks under there, scope the cylinders, see how that looks. Other than that, we got the radiator in, got the hoses. I got to put some water in it. I'm not going to go out and buy some expensive antifreeze. I don't even know if this radiator holds. So we're going to pretty much test it with water and just see how it goes. Other than that, I mean, let's get this party started. What's up, guys? So, back here in the garage with the Falcon, and I think right now we're going to clean out the inside, see what kind of parts we got and all that. Just get rid of some of this nastiness going on in here. The big puddle of water. It's I just don't want it to get too bad and all that. Get that out of here. Get the rat's nest out of the glove box. It's a little dark. I might go put my light on my camera so I can show you guys, but we're gonna figure out what all's in here. All right, be right back with you. got some kick panels going on in here. Let's see what else we got. Old empty Hedman header box, nothing special. Looks like someone started making a trans tunnel for it. Might come in handy. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and use this Hedman header box as a trash can. I'm actually going to go ahead and put some gloves on because it kind of seems like some rats might have been living in here. There's a big old nest up here in the glove box I was telling you about. Lots of chewed up insulation or carpet foam, whatever you want to call it. Just the under the carpet fluff that you would. And I don't really know how much I want this on my skin. What's up, guys? So it's been a long night, a couple hours of cleaning the inside of that car out. And boy, it was gross in there, man. I had standing water on the floor, spiders like crazy. I had a black widow fall on my freaking head. Like, I'm not scared of bugs by any means, but that's the last thing I want falling on my head. The thing landed right on the bill of my hat and then started crawling towards my face. I freaked out like a little girl, I'm not even gonna lie. So, but here's the progress we got. You saw how dirty it was at first from the very first video that I posted about this car, but here we go. So, still a little dusty, but for the most part, I got all the water out of it, seat belts out of it, and spider webs are all gone. And she's coming along good, man. So, we'll get back to it, and actually, no, I don't think we're gonna get back to it. I think next video is going to be us messing with the motor. So until then, we'll see you later.